Hey everybody, Doug here. We're in Nazare, Portugal, and this is just the video where I show you the walk up to our apartment, a little bit of the neighborhood, and then a little tour of our apartment where we'll be staying for the next 21 days. We've taken an apartment in the newer part of Nazare. These are all newer blocks, probably 1960s. And it's a very quiet neighborhood. I'm probably the loudest thing in it right now. And you can see that direction is the hill, the funicular in the center of town. And we're among these blocks. Behind us is a pretty marsh. And then over that hill is where the beach is. We don't have a good view of the beach as we'd like, but it's very nice otherwise. This place has a parking garage where we have parked our car instead of parking on the street. It's very small and tight in there, but we managed. Here's our little courtyard in front of our apartment building. And just up these stairs, through that door, and in we go. And here we go into the building. We have a nice elevator, which is small and bumpy, but works just fine. And of course, that's how we get into the staircase. And leaving the elevator, here is the approach to our apartment. That's nice, isn't it? And of course, we have a staircase, which we also use. Here is our little entryway, and then from the entryway we can walk into our quite large but galley kitchen. Has everything we need, and if you walk straight through, it'll take you right out to our balcony, which is quite long. Goes all the way over there, and it goes all the way over there. And then I won't take us up now, but we also have space on the roof for a barbecue and a patio with a view. And then we can go in this door, and this takes us into the dining area, which in typical Portuguese style is right next to the living room. Sorry, I had some clothes there drying. Very nice, big, comfortable couch. There's our TV. There's some flickering because I think there's a LED light in here. And then if you go straight through here, it takes you to bathroom number one. And there's bathroom number one, which is a small, full bath. And then back here, you've got bathroom number two, which has a bath and a tub situation, and also has the usual bidet. And then over here is bedroom number one, which has a couple of twin beds, also an exit to the balcony. We're using this bedroom as our dressing room and place to keep our suitcases. And then we go over here. There's a nice little area between bedrooms. Right, and here's bedroom number two, which has a full-size bed, regular window, and quite big, plenty of storage. And then over here is bedroom number three. That's where we're staying. Big window, same situation, just oriented the other direction. Big storage. So that's the place. So you've seen the walk-up, the neighborhood, and the place. So there you go. This is our Airbnb in Nazare, Portugal, in the new part of town. All right, stay tuned for more videos. I think the next one's going to be a walkabout Nazare and Sitio. I know you've seen it before, but I go into a little more detail. All right, have a good day or night.